Hi there, I'm Rose Jacobs here with you for Calkine Media. Before we get started with this video, make sure you press the bell icon at the bottom of your screen for all the hottest updates. The S&P 500 index, or the Standards & Poor's 500 index, comprises 500 large-cap public companies based on their market capitalisation. These companies are generally less volatile. Here we discuss S&P 500 companies that gave more than 100% return on equity and over 15% growth in stock prices year to date. The ROE is calculated by dividing the net income by the total number of shareholders' equity. It typically shows the company's profitability. Topping the list, Apple Inc. The Cupertino, California-based Apple Inc. manufactures consumer electronics products such as personal computers and iPhones. It was founded in 1977 and its net sales were US $365 billion in the fiscal year ended September 25 of 2021. That's compared to US $274 billion just 1 year ago. The net income grew to $94.68 billion compared to $57.4 billion in the previous fiscal year. Next up, Eli Lilly and Company. The Indianapolis, Indiana-based Eli Lilly develops drugs for oncology, endocrinology, immunology, and neuroscience-related problems. For the 9 months ended September 30 of 2021, the company reported revenue of US $20.3 billion against $17.1 billion in the same period of 2020. It booked a net income of $3.86 billion compared to $4.08 billion a year ago. The earnings per share diluted were $4.23 against $4.47 in the same period a year ago. Then we have Oracle Corporation. This is a tech company based in Austin, Texas. It provides enterprise resource planning software and data technology to clients. Oracle has a presence in over 175 countries with more than 136,000 employees. For the 6 months ended November 30 of 21, Oracle posted revenue of $20.09 billion compared to $19.17 billion in the corresponding period of 2020. Its net income was $1.21 billion or 43 cents per share diluted compared to $4.69 billion or $1.53 per share diluted in the same period a year ago. So the conclusion? Well, the S&P 500 index gained 22.20% year to date. The index saw two-digit growth despite coronavirus disruptions in 21. However, investors must carefully analyse the stocks before investing. So do watch this space, and that's a wrap for now. But please check out the website calkinemedia.com and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and check out the channel. I'm Rose Jacobs. Thanks again for joining me.